we've got a brewery with about a 6,000 square foot building. And we have beautiful unobstructed sun on this building. And we've got solar from Solar Tech Elec. It's been running now for about, 4 or 5 months, I think. It's really been phenomenal. Here at the brewery, one of our meters uses about $4,000 of power a month. And that's a lot. That's on average. Some months it's a little less, some months it's a little higher. But looking at our bill over the course of a year, it was right around $4,000. So the solar that we had Solar Tech Elec put on is going to compensate for about between $3,000 and $3,500 a month. So we're pretty much eliminating that bill. It's going from $4,000 to, let's say, $500 or $1,000, somewhere in there, which is phenomenal. It's so much power that we're not going to have to pay Duke for. And I don't understand why more people don't use solar. It makes total sense to me. I'm a numbers guy. So the way I look at it, we didn't put a penny down on this system. We did a loan for the entire amount. And we're paying less than what we pay our average monthly bill to Duke. We have to pay Duke anyway. You have to pay for power regardless. So I would much rather pay for my own power, pay for my own hardware that makes the power, and then pay it off in 7 years. And then I get free power from then on. This stuff has a 25-year warranty. So if I pay it off in 7 years, which is pretty much what's going to happen if I take all the money that I was going to pay Duke and pay the mortgage, it's only going to be a 7-year loan, and it's guaranteed for 25 years. So that leaves me, 17, 18 years guaranteed of getting that. And I suspect it'll last a lot longer. And on top of it, there's a huge tax credit, which I plan on taking that money and applying to the loan to lower the loan. I know a lot of people, when they hear about solar, their eyes just kind of gloss over and there's numbers and it's really, seemingly complicated. It's not though. There's one little section on your Duke power bill and it shows 12 months of usage. You don't have to show them anything else besides that. And that'll show you exactly how much that meter has used for the year. And with that, he can calculate exactly what kind of power needs you'll have. What I love about this system is the M-Phase app that we use here from Solar Tech Elec. It's much more detailed. We have 374 panels, and I can see each panel and how much each panel is using at any given time, or how much it's making at any given time. My system at home, all I know is it's making X number of watts or whatever. Here I can see it on the individual level. So if there's a problem with one of the little pieces, I'll instantly know and it'll be fixed under warranty. So my name is Clemo, one of the owners here at the HOB Brewing Company in downtown Dunedin, and I highly recommend Solar Tech Elec.